In this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up an auto generation of serial and batch numbered items. So first of all, go to our Logiks Solutions platform and click on the Automation Service. To use the Automation Service, you first need to buy a license for the Automation Service in the administration portal. If you don't know how to buy this license, simply go back to another video where I describe how to order a new license. After you purchase the license of the Automation Service, click on the module. When you're on this side and see all the 4 modules, you simply have to click to the job overview. In the job overview, you will have a current page which provides the list of all existing jobs, and you have the possibility to manage, set them on active or inactive, or edit currently jobs. Now click on Add a new job. Here you have to choose your gateway and the database where you want to set up the auto generation. Now choose the type. So in this case we use serial and batch number. Now you will get the configuration of your auto generation. First of all, you can give your job an individual name. So for example, serial and batch number auto generation. Now you will see you can select this running number. So which number your serial number and your batch number generation should start. So for example, for the serial number, you can choose whatever you want. So for example, the 101. And for the batch number, I choose 501. So these are the first numbers in your auto generation. For batch numbers 501 and for serial number 101. Now the last running number, so I choose now for serial number 199 and here 599. And here you can set if you want to reset the running number after a period of time or of days. Now, if you click on serial number, you can set up per drag and drop function how you want to order or how you want to create or design your serial number. So you can select by drag and drop if you want to have only the running number, so only this number, or if you want to have the year as well, and now you can separate these two items. So for example, you want to have the running number and a slash and then the year as your auto-generated serial number. The same thing you can do with the batch number, so I put only the running number, for example. After you have configured all of this, you can click on Save. And now you will see you have created the serial batch number auto generation job and it is set on active. Now to use this job, you have to go back to the main page and go to your VMS Studio. In the VMS Studio, go to your templates and choose the template which you are normally using and click on the Edit button. Now go to the scenario configurations and select the scenario where you want to have your created auto generation of serial and batch number. So for example, the GRPO settings. And now you will see here the option to set the auto serial and batch number generation. So simply switch this on. And now you can select the job you have created in the automation service. So we named it serial batch number auto generation. Simply select it and click on Save this template. Now the auto generation should be configured and we can test it right now in our APK. So after you configured now the auto generation in your web portal, you can now go to your application and check if it works. So go to the main page and click on the GRPO settings, GRPO module. And now I click on the plus symbol to add a new GRPO and start with scanning the bin location. Now you have to scan a serial or a batch item. I will show it with the serial item. And now there is a pop-up where you have to provide the serial number. Now, as you can see here, there is already the auto generation button, so it worked. Now, if you click on the auto generation button, you will see the number 102 is added because we choose that the serial number should start with 101, and this is now the next step because 102. So now you click on continue and you will see the item is added, and now you can start with or continue with scanning the next items or simply save it on SAP. For the configuration of auto, serial and batch number generation, and if you encounter any problems, just rewatch this video or go to our knowledge base and read the manuals.